Hello! To celebrate Eid, we are making Sable cookies. First, we make the plain sablé, then we will decorate them in different ways. In a large bowl, combine the softened butter with powdered sugar and vanilla sugar. Mix with a spatula until you get a smooth mixture. For this recipe, we are only using the egg yolk, so add it to the butter and continue mixing until well integrated. Add the orange zest. You can also use lemon zest. Finally, add the flour and continue mixing. Place the dough on a work surface and press it with your hands until you form a soft ball. Do not over-knead the dough or the cookies will be hard. Wrap the dough in a plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 1 hour before using it. Now let's cut some cookies. Dust your rolling pin and work surface with flour. Roll the dough to a 25 x 30 cm rectangle. Using a cookie cutter of your choice that you first put in flour, cut the cookies, then place them in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the cookies in a preheated oven to 180 Celsius degrees, which is 360 Fahrenheit degrees, for around 10 minutes, or until they get a light golden color. Then place aside and let cool completely before serving. Bon appétit!